Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be going for the box logos, which are going to release for the Roni. We are going to be seeing the box logo, which they're assuming that there's going to be like 17K to 25,000 stock. Hopefully it's on the higher end so we can go ahead and cop up today. I do wish you guys the best of luck on today's drop, and if you did end up copping, go ahead and comment down below your success story. This is like a relief story low-key because we are helping for the Roni virus. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Okay, so I'm all set up. I am set up on the new tab, and I'm also opening the t-shirt tab just in case that one does end up working for me. We got like 12 seconds left. I'm running Addict on the left side right here. Holy shit, what did I just do? So it's 11. It still hasn't loaded for me, which sucks. Still hasn't loaded. We're like some seconds in at this point. Is it even dropping at 11, dude? Hopefully it is. It's just delayed a little bit. Yeah, it's not loading, dude. There's nada up here. I'm about to check if the Air Force One's restock. When does it drop? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe they're doing this to scare away bots. This shit is not releasing, bro. Honestly, I'm on here and it's 11:01, almost 11:02, and it's not out yet. So, fuck, I feel like they're gonna do a shock drop, which is honestly kind of bad. Oh, it loaded. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. In my cart. Check out. Check out, bro. Come on, come on, come on. It's sold out. Process, please. Come on, let me through, let me through. Fuck, that was too fast, bro. Yo, that shit just came and went. Literally, that shit just came and went, bro. That's nuts. That is fucking nuts, bro. You previously ordered this item. This is a limit of 1 per product. No fucking way. Did Addict do it again? Did Addict fucking do it again? No way. No fucking way, dude. Yo, please get charged. This is the first time I like want my card to get charged with something. Let's go.
I'm the big dilf. Don't do that. $100 put you on in a bid at, you heard? Get your money up, not your funny up.
Fuck. Let's go. Let's fucking go, dude. I don't know if I got it or Addict got it for me, but I feel like when I did it, it said that the shit was sold out. So I'm assuming, shout out to Addict.io, bro. Let's go, dude. Honestly, I feel like they dropped it late so that bots wouldn't get a hold of it and still got a hold of it. So that's nuts. I feel like they didn't even load up a medium. I don't know if that was just me, but this shit was retarded, bro. I still feel like they should have done the bigger stock. But before we get into this, today's video is actually sponsored by Castle Music. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you go ahead and slap a like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And I'm so thankful that Addict.io cooked up for me, because honestly, I don't know how the fuck I would have been able to cook up manually. Let me know if you were able to cook up manual. That shit didn't look too promising. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but that pretty much does it for this one. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.